Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have raw numbers. Start by placing gross pay or revenue in column and deductions in adjacent columns. Once done, format those cells as dollar or percent so Excel computes correctly. Make a table or name ranges to keep formulas resilient when adding rows. Now, insert a helper column for taxable base if needed. This simplifies complex calculations. You're not just entering data. You're structuring it so formulas will scale and remain accurate when values change. Next, craft the net formula where you combine fixed and percentage reductions. For example, use equals A2B2C2, A2*D2 when tax applies to gross. Alternatively, compute taxable base first and apply tax to that. Once done, wrap with round, value 2 to avoid cent rounding issues. Make sure to anchor rate cells with dollar if copying across. If exemptions or thresholds exist, include IF statements and test with sample rows to confirm the logic handles edge cases like 0 or negative inputs. Finish by filling the formula down the table and checking totals against expected results. Once done, validate using a checksum. Compare sums of gross minus sums of deductions against sum of net to catch errors. Make sure to convert formulas to values before exporting if you need static reports. If numbers look off, trace precedents, enable show formulas, and verify cell formats. Many mistakes are formatting or dollar anchor errors. One key tip: when rounding causes discrepancies, adjust calculation order or round only final results to make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.